Hello everyone and welcome to Frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious Kerala style fish. This is called Meen Pollichathu and this is so delicious. The recipe of this is so different and this tasted so good. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखिया चाहछन देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. To start with the recipe, let's prepare the fish first. I have taken pomfrets here. Usually it is made with pearl spot fish which is easily available in Kerala, but we can't find that everywhere, so you can use pomfrets instead. So make slits on both sides of the fish like so. Now let's prepare our masala for the fish. In a plate, mix 1 teaspoon each of turmeric powder, red chilli powder and salt. To that add juice of half a lemon and mix well. Now apply this masala on the fish. Add the masala into the slits and marinate for 30 minutes. Then heat 1 tablespoon of coconut oil in a pan. Add the fish. Roast both sides for 5 minutes each on medium flame till it's well roasted. And our fish is well roasted from both sides now. Take out and keep them aside. In the same pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. To that add 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger, 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic and 1 sprig of curry leaves. Saute for a minute. Then add 1 cup of chopped shallots. Shallots are the small onions or sambar onions. You can use normal onions instead. Saute till they are translucent and then add 1 chopped tomato and 2 chopped green chillies. Cook till the tomato turns soft. Then add salt as per taste, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala and half teaspoon black pepper powder. Mix well and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 1 cup of thin coconut milk. Mix and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Finally, I am adding 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chilli powder for color. This is completely optional. Our masala is ready now. Heat a banana leaf on gas flame to make it a little flexible. Then add few chopped garlic. Add some of the masala. Place 1 fish on top and then add some more masala on top. Finally, add 1 sprig of curry leaves on top. Fold the leaf to make a parcel like so. Secure using threads. Now heat 1 teaspoon of coconut oil on a pan or tawa and place the parcel. Cover and cook on low flame for 3 to 4 minutes. Then flip and cook from the other side. Our fish parcel is perfectly cooked now. Take it out on a plate. Cut the threads and open the parcel. See how beautiful and delicious it is looking. Serve with onion and lemon slices. The aroma of this is so good. And our delicious Meen Pollichathu is ready. This is so easy to make and tasted so unique. So do try it out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. If you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.